Are you gonna grab that battery?
No,
Oh, I thought you needed batteries.
I do, but I'm also not gonna loot that knowing he's in the front of coffee over there and potentially has a scope. Yeah, here he
Running.
comes. Yep, door, big door. 2 of them.
Lit him up.
Oh my god, are you kidding me? He's left. He's hurt. He's right out front.
That was easy.
Yeah.
There's 2. Still 1 out front.
What kind of animal are you?
Finish him. Got him. Clip it.
Good job.
Someone's taking pot shots at me. That's probably homeboy.
It's probably the guy I was shooting at, yeah.